What's going on, everybody? Just checking in with you again. Got a new vehicle here, 2025 Kia K5. Let me show you what we did. So this one we kept it pretty simple. As you see, there's a lot of green trim on everything, also on the calipers. So what we did is we did the footwell area, front and rear. And then while the customer was here, wanted to add just a strip on the dash. If you have a Kia K5, obviously you know that these cars do not come, or a lot of the trim models do not come with the ambient lighting. I'm not sure if the higher trims don't, if they come with the lights or not, but the lower trims do not. So this seems to be a pretty popular vehicle that people want to do. As you know, if you see my other videos, these lights are app controlled. Set it on green for the customer just because it seems like everything else is kind of green. So millions of colors. It has modes, color changing like rainbow. It has chasing, all that kind of stuff. This one does also have a programmable turn on and off sequence. I haven't set that yet, but I will show you what it does from right out of the box. But this turn off sequence, you can change it. It does have different modes. You can change the color. Right now it's on some kind of white. And then same thing when you get in the car, turn the car on, it's going to do its power on sequence. Again, we can change that color. Right now out of the box it's set to white. What's nice too about this setup is you can change the floors separately from the lights on the dash. This kit also, as you've seen them, all the ones, we can do the doors and stuff like that as well. So if you wanted these to be white, just kind of so you can kind of see them as like puddle lights, you can do that. You can keep these a color, you can tie them all together, whatever you want to do. So a lot of control from the app. Also, the app has the ability to dim or brighten the lights as well. So as you can see, the fitment on these things, it's amazing. You don't have to worry about anybody messing with it with their hands. It is recessed in there. Same thing with this side. Got it recessed in there really nice. They are universal. I do sell the kits. All you do is they come with full length strips. You cut them to the length you want. You put them in the spots that you can put them. So no matter what kind of car you got, if you can get creative, you can add these to your vehicle. Message me if you want to order a kit. I do ship. Other than that, guys, as always, I appreciate you. Just wanted to show you this one. If you got any questions about this install or any other install, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, see ya.